As a homeowner in Plano, you know how important it is to make your property look beautiful, welcoming, and functional. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's exterior is by installing outdoor lighting. Not only does it improve the aesthetics of your property, but it also offers numerous practical benefits that enhance safety, security, and overall enjoyment of your outdoor spaces. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing in your garden, or simply improving your home's curb appeal, outdoor lighting can make a world of difference. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of installing outdoor lighting in Plano and how it can elevate your home's appeal and functionality. Enhanced curb appeal. One of the most immediate benefits of outdoor lighting is the significant boost it gives to your home's curb appeal. A beautifully illuminated exterior adds a layer of elegance and sophistication, making your home stand out, especially in the evening. Highlighting your landscaping, architectural features, and front entrance with the right lighting can create a welcoming atmosphere that invites admiration. Consider installing pathway lights along your walkway or accentuating your home's features with spotlights or uplights to illuminate trees, bushes, or sculptures. A well-lit exterior can also increase your property's value, making it more attractive to potential buyers should you decide to sell. Improved security. Outdoor lighting serves as a deterrent for potential intruders. Well-lit areas around your property make it much harder for anyone to approach unnoticed. Lighting up dark corners, entrances, and gates around your home reduces the risk of break-ins or other criminal activity. Motion sensor lights are an excellent security feature for Plano homeowners. These lights automatically turn on when they detect movement, alerting you to any potential threats while scaring off intruders. Installing lighting around entry points such as doors, windows, and garages increases security by ensuring that these areas are well lit at all times, making it more difficult for intruders to approach without being noticed. Increased functionality and usability of outdoor spaces. One of the most practical benefits of outdoor lighting is how it extends the usability of your outdoor spaces, especially in the evenings. Whether you enjoy entertaining guests or relaxing outside, proper lighting can transform your backyard, patio, or deck into a comfortable and functional space after dark. Deck or patio lights can create an inviting atmosphere, perfect for evening dining, family gatherings, or outdoor relaxation. Garden lighting can highlight the beauty of your plants, flowers, and trees, allowing you to enjoy your garden even after the sun goes down. Accent lighting along seating areas or outdoor kitchens can improve visibility and make your outdoor spaces safer and more enjoyable. By installing outdoor lighting, you enhance your ability to enjoy these spaces throughout the year, no matter the time of day. Improved safety. The outdoor lighting also plays a key role in safety. By illuminating pathways, driveways, and steps, you reduce the risk of accidents or falls, especially in Plano's rainy seasons or during the night when visibility can be poor. Pathway lights and step lights can guide guests safely to your front door or along garden paths, ensuring that they don't trip over obstacles. Well-lit driveways help with vehicle navigation at night, making it easier for family members or guests to park safely. Additionally, if you have pets or children who enjoy spending time outside, lighting can help keep the space safer for them as well. Energy efficiency and environmentally friendly options. With advances in technology, outdoor lighting has become more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Today, LED lights and solar-powered lighting are both widely available and provide long-lasting, energy-saving solutions for homeowners. LED outdoor lights consume very little electricity compared to traditional incandescent lights, and they have a longer lifespan, reducing the need for frequent bulb replacements. Solar-powered lights harness energy from the sun and don't require wiring or electricity from your home, making them a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for garden lighting, pathway lights, or accent lighting. These modern lighting solutions allow you to enjoy the benefits of outdoor lighting without worrying about high energy bills or the environmental impact of traditional lighting. Highlighting landscaping and architectural features. Outdoor lighting allows you to showcase the beauty of your landscaping and architectural features in ways that daylight simply can't. Uplighting trees, highlighting fountains, or illuminating architectural details like columns or arches can create a stunning effect, adding depth and visual interest to your property. Downlighting can also be used to create a soft, ambient glow around your landscaping, providing a natural, inviting atmosphere. Accent lighting can help you draw attention to your favorite outdoor features, such as garden sculptures, water features, or unique plants, making your home look even more impressive and visually appealing. Seasonal and holiday decor. Outdoor lighting also allows you to add a touch of seasonal flair to your home. Whether it's holiday lights, seasonal decor, or special event lighting, outdoor lights can bring extra cheer to your home throughout the year. You can light up your front porch or lawn with festive displays during the holidays or create a romantic ambiance for special occasions like anniversaries or birthdays. Conclusion. Outdoor lighting in Plano offers numerous benefits, from enhancing curb appeal and improving security to making your outdoor spaces more functional and enjoyable. With energy-efficient options and environmentally friendly solutions available, you can light up your home while keeping energy costs low. Whether you're looking to create a safer environment, add ambiance to your backyard, or make your home more appealing, outdoor lighting can be a valuable investment that pays off in both aesthetic and practical ways. If you're ready to transform your property, consider working with a local outdoor lighting company in Plano to design and install a lighting system that suits your needs and enhances your home's overall look. With the right outdoor lighting, you can enjoy a beautifully illuminated home that's safe, inviting, and energy efficient.